Today I'm going to solve the LeetCode questions named the two sums. I will be guiding you through the solutions by using the nested loop approach. Without further ado, let us proceed to our explanation sessions. For the examples given in the LeetCode questions, the nums variables have a list of data which is 2, 7, 11, and 15, and our target is 13. Our program will have to return two index positions of data whose sum matches to our target, which is 13. So first, I will create two rectangles, and for the green color, it will represent the I, while the orange color will represent the J. Then I will have to write down the data, so make it more clearly. 2, 7, 11, and 15. Then you can write down the index number that start from 0, 1, 2, and 3. And this is the positions, index positions. So first, you have to put the rectangles, green color one, to put at the first index, which is the 2. And for the J, you have to put next to the I, which is the index 1 with the data 7. So for the green color, which is I, we can represent it as the base. And for the J, it will continue sliding and also comparing with the I to find the exact two numbers that add up to 13, which is our target. So let us begin to make the comparisons. So for the first round, the I equals to 0 and J equals to 1. So 2 plus 7, is it equals to 13? If no, you have to slide the J to the next index. So now the J becomes 2. So you do the comparisons again. 11 plus 2, is it equals to 13? Yes, you find out the answers. You find out the answers, you just return the index positions of your two numbers, which is 2 and 11, at the index 0 and 2. Yeah, this is your final answers. But just in case, if the J until the end cannot find the matches, so how you can solve this? Now you have to move your I, this green color box, to the next, and the I will become at the index 1. Then you have to reset the J back and place it next to the I. So now the J will become at the index 2. If it continues to checking until the I come to the index 3, which is the last index of the data. So now I think you have the underlying understanding of these questions. Now let us proceed to the coding sessions.
You just gotta be fearless.